How to make $1,000 in a day side hustles that actually work. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the best side hustles that can help you make $1,000 in just one day. That's right, you heard me correctly. We're talking about serious cash, fast. Look, I know a lot of you are working 9 to 5s, maybe feeling a little stuck and looking for ways to increase your income. Whether you're saving up for a down payment on a house, trying to pay off debt faster, or just want to treat yourself to something nice, having some extra cash flow can make a huge difference. If you're looking for actionable tips and real methods to boost your income quickly, you're in the right place. We're breaking down 5 different side hustles that have the potential to put $1,000 in your pocket in a single day. Let's get right into it. Freelance writing words that make you wealthy. Let's kick things off with freelance writing. Now you might be thinking, Graham, writing? Really? How much can you make doing that? And the answer is you can actually make a killing. Every website, blog, and business needs compelling copy. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. Create a profile, highlight your skills, and start bidding on projects. The key is to niche down. Now, don't just say you're a writer. What are you passionate about? What are you knowledgeable in? Become an expert in a specific niche and market yourself accordingly. There are a ton of writers out there. Build a strong portfolio. Offer to do some free work for friends, family, or local businesses to get samples. A solid portfolio is your golden ticket to landing high-paying clients. Reach out directly to businesses with personalized emails showcasing your expertise. Businesses are always looking for quality content, so if you can deliver, you can command top dollar. Research industry standards and charge what you're worth. Charge per word, per hour, or per project. The faster you can write high-quality content, the more money you can make. Set deadlines, eliminate distractions, and master efficient writing. With dedication and a knack for crafting compelling content, you can turn your words into a lucrative income stream. Online tutoring, sharing knowledge for cash. Now, if you're passionate about education and enjoy helping others, online tutoring might be the perfect side hustle for you. The demand for online tutors has exploded in recent years, and for good reason. It's convenient, it's flexible, and it can be incredibly rewarding both personally and financially. Platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors connect you with students from around the world who are eager to learn. You can choose the subjects you're most comfortable teaching, whether it's English as a second language, ESL, math, science, history, or even music. The possibilities are endless. One of the best things about online tutoring is that you don't necessarily need a teaching degree to get started. While some platforms might require certain certifications, many simply look for individuals with a strong command of the subject matter and a passion for teaching. To maximize your earnings as an online tutor, it's crucial to create engaging and interactive lessons. Gone are the days of boring lectures. Use visuals, incorporate games, and encourage active participation to keep your students engaged and coming back for more. Another key to success in online tutoring is building a strong reputation. Encourage your students to leave positive reviews and testimonials on your profile. Word-of-mouth referrals can be incredibly powerful in this industry, so don't be afraid to ask your satisfied students to spread the word. And here's a pro tip. Consider offering package deals or discounts for multiple sessions. This can incentivize students to book more lessons with you, leading to a more consistent income stream. So if you're looking for a rewarding and flexible side hustle that allows you to share your knowledge and make a real difference in the lives of others, online tutoring is definitely worth exploring. Digital products, your path to passive income. Now let's talk about digital products. This is where things get really interesting, especially if you're looking for ways to generate passive income. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you're still in your pajamas. That's the power of digital products. But what exactly are digital products? They can be anything you create and deliver electronically. E-books, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos. The list goes on and on. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and you can sell them over and over again without any additional overhead. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it incredibly easy to set up shop and start selling your digital creations to a global audience. Etsy is perfect for handmade or vintage items as well as craft supplies, while Gumroad is ideal for selling digital products like courses, e-books, and software. The key to success with digital products is identifying a need in the market and creating a high-quality product that solves a specific problem. What are people struggling with? What kind of information or resources are they searching for? Once you've identified a niche, it's time to create the best possible product you can. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your product. Take the time to learn new skills, invest in professional design templates, and make sure your product is top-notch. Remember, you're competing in a global marketplace, so quality is paramount. And here's a pro tip: leverage social media to promote your digital products. Create engaging content that showcases the value of your products, run targeted ads, and engage with your followers to build a loyal customer base. Dropshipping, selling without the inventory. Next up, we have dropshipping, a business model that's been generating a lot of buzz lately. And for good reason. It's a relatively low-risk, high-reward way to get started in e-commerce without having to worry about inventory, storage, or shipping. So, how does dropshipping work? Essentially, you create an online store and partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles all the inventory and fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your store, the order is automatically forwarded to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The best part, you never have to touch the product. Your profit is the difference between your selling price and the supplier's wholesale price. Setting up a dropshipping store is easier than you might think. Platforms like Shopify offer user-friendly interfaces and a wide range of integrations to streamline your business operations. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or create a custom design that reflects your brand identity. The real key to success with dropshipping lies in finding trending products that are in high demand. Conduct thorough market research, identify niches with low competition but high search volume, and source your products from reputable suppliers who offer competitive prices and reliable shipping. And here's a pro tip: focus on building a strong brand and providing exceptional customer service. Even though you're not physically handling the products, you're still responsible for the customer experience. Respond to inquiries promptly, address any issues swiftly, and go the extra mile to exceed your customers' expectations. A gig economy, jobs, quick cash on your own time. Finally, let's talk about the gig economy. This is your go-to for quick cash on your own terms. With apps like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit, you can turn your spare time into extra income. If you own a car and enjoy driving, becoming a rideshare driver can be a lucrative way to make money on your own schedule. Simply sign up with Uber or Lyft, complete the necessary background checks, and start accepting ride requests. You can choose when and where you want to drive, giving you ultimate flexibility and control over your earnings. TaskRabbit is another great option for those who enjoy variety in their work. From furniture assembly to handyman tasks to grocery shopping, TaskRabbit connects you with people in your area who need help with everyday errands and tasks. You can set your own rates, choose the tasks you want to complete, and work as much or as little as you'd like. And here's a pro tip for maximizing your earnings in the gig economy. Pay attention to surge pricing and bonus opportunities. Rideshare apps often offer surge pricing during peak hours or special events, allowing you to earn significantly more per ride. Similarly, TaskRabbit often offers bonuses for completing a certain number of tasks within a specific time frame. Remember, while the gig economy offers flexibility and the potential for quick cash, it's important to factor in expenses like gas, vehicle maintenance, and taxes. Keep track of your earnings and expenses to ensure you're making a profit. Start your side hustle journey today. There you have it, folks. 5 side hustles that can help you make $1,000 in a day. Whether you're a wordsmith, a natural teacher, a creative entrepreneur, or simply someone who's willing to put in the work, there's a side hustle out there for you. Remember, the key to success with any side hustle is to be dedicated, persistent, and always willing to learn and adapt. The world is changing rapidly, and new opportunities are emerging all the time. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, embrace the unknown, and hustle your way to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money and achieving financial freedom. Drop a comment below if you have any other side hustle ideas or if you've tried any of these methods. We'd love to hear your experiences.